We, the maths teachers, welcome you all back to the e-learning program. Let us recall what was taught in the previous video. We learned multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers, multiplication of 4-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Today's concepts are word problems and estimating the products. Let us take up the first concept, word problems. Example 1. A recipe of cake requires 345 grams of sugar. How much sugar is required for making 12 such cakes? Let us write the statements for the word problems. First statement is quantity of sugar required to make one cake is 345 grams. Second statement, quantity of sugar required to make 12 such cakes is equal to 345 into 12. Let us arrange these numbers according to the place value. 345 into 12. Let us multiply. 345 into 2 is 690. Multiply 345 into 10 is 3450. Let us add these two products. The answer is 4140. Total quantity of sugar required to make 12 cakes is 4140 grams. Let us take up the next example. There are 316 biscuits in a tin. How many biscuits will be there in 25 such tins? Let us write the statement. Number of biscuits in one tin is 316. Second statement. Number of biscuits in 25 such tins is 316 into 25. Let us arrange these numbers in the place value chart. 316 into 25. The product of 316 and 5 is 1580. The product of 316 into 20 is 6320. Let us add these two products. The answer is 7900. Total number of biscuits in 25 such tins is equal to 7900. Example 3. 54 students of a class gave rupees 108 each for flood relief fund. How much money did they collect? Let us write the statement for the word problem. Statement 1. Money collected from a student is rupees 108. Second statement. Number of students in a class is 54. Third statement. Total amount collected from 54 students is equal to 108 into 54. Let us arrange these numbers in the place value chart and multiply 108 into 54. The product of 108 into 4 is equal to 432. The product of 108 into 50 is equal to 5400. Let us add these two products. The answer is 5832. Total amount collected from 54 students is rupees 5832. Let us take up the next concept, estimating the products. Estimating the product is a way to get an approximate value of the product. To estimate the product, we round off the multiplicand and multiplier to the nearest 10 or 100, whichever is more convenient. Then multiply the rounded numbers to get the estimated product. Estimate the product of the following by rounding them to the nearest 10. Example 1. 34 into 8. Step 1. Round off the numbers to the nearest 10. Step 2. Find the product of the estimated value. Let us know the rule of estimation. If the number is less than 5, we retain the same number in the required place. If the number is 5 or greater than 5, we add 1 to the required place. Let us find out the estimation. 34. Here 4 is less than 5. To estimate nearest to tens, the answer is 30. Next number is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we need to add 1 to the tens place. So the answer nearest to tens is 10. The estimated product of 30 into 10 is 300. Example 2. 69 into 23. 69, here 9 is greater than 5. So we add 1 to the tens place. Nearest to tens is 70. Next number is 23. Here 3 is less than 5. So we need to retain the same number in the tens place. So nearest to tens is 20. The estimated product of 70 into 20 is 1400. Estimate the products by rounding the multiplicants to their respective highest places. Let us learn with the first example, 217 into 42. Here, estimated value of 217 nearest 100. In 217, highest place is hundreds. So, we have to estimate to the nearest hundreds. 1 is less than 5. So, estimated value of 217 is 200. Similarly, in 42, highest place is tens. So, we have to estimate to the nearest tens. Here, 2 is less than 5. So, estimated value of 42 is 40. Therefore, estimated product of 200 into 40 is 8000. Example 2. 623 into 13. 623 nearest to hundreds is 600 because 2 is less than 5 and highest place is hundreds. Next number is 13. Here nearest to tens is 10 because 3 is less than 5 and highest place is tens. Let us multiply the estimated numbers 600 into 10. So the estimated product of 610 is 6000. Let us take up next example 184 into 44. 184 nearest to hundreds is 200 because 8 is greater than 5 and we need to add 1 to the hundreds place. So it becomes 200. Next number is 44. Nearest to tens is 40 because 4 is less than 5 and the highest place is tens. So the estimated product of 240 is 8000. In the previous video, we had given the assignment. Hope you all have completed it. Today's assignment. Children, we have solved some word problems and we have given some problems to solve also. So please learn the tables. Complete the given assignment in your math notebook. Thank you.